started with the first news. Ekal Gramothan Foundation IVD Myorpur organized a one-day organic farming awareness and training program in Kashikud village. Farmers received practical training on preparing vermicompost and natural pest repellents. The trainers explained that natural farming improves soil fertility and helps reduce the harmful effects of chemical farming. The program was attended by a large number of farmers along with P4 Zonal Coordinator Mr. Ashok Kumar and farmer trainer Mr. Shyam Sundar. A 3-day workshop was organized in Dibrugarh for office heads from 11 regions under Upper Assam and Siang Valley of Eastern Northeast Division. The participants were trained on MIS, database management, report entry, office administration, and the effective use of the Acharya and Karyakarta mobile applications to strengthen organizational operations. Senior office bearers also guided the participants on leadership qualities. Ekal Yuva Udan launched with great enthusiasm as young delegates from the United States and India began their journey at Gramothan Resource Centers in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Through orientation sessions, cultural exchange, village visits and community engagement, the participants were introduced to the realities of rural India. The 6-day program aims to nurture social responsibility, leadership skills and a spirit of service among the young participants. A team of students from IITM and Indraprastha College, Delhi visited Nanak Mata under Khakima Anchal in Uttarakhand to experience Ekal Abhiyan's rural development initiatives firsthand. They learned about natural products made from cow urine and indigenous cow dung, natural pest control methods and incense stick making. The student also conducted a village survey and closely observed rural life. The Ekal Yuva Udan internship team received a warm and grand welcome from the village committee during the Gram Tirth Yatra at Majhola village under Muradabad Anchal, Western Uttar Pradesh division. Meenakshi ji and her team interacted with the children of the Ekal school, motivating and encouraging them through engaging discussions and activities. The Delhi Ekal Parivar visited the Karanjo Gramothan Resource Center in Ranchi and observed its various rural development initiatives. Members appreciated the well-organized facilities including organic farming, turmeric production, tailoring and computer training centers, library, etc. During the visit, they enjoyed organic meals and herbal beverages and praised the warm hospitality extended by the center's team. The Ekal Ko Jano program held in Noida brought together social workers, intellectuabs and distinguished guests from various fields. Chief Speaker Mr. Chandresh Sona and renowned author Mr. Shantanu Gupta highlighted Ekal Abhiyan's 5-dimensional initiatives including education, healthcare, self-reliance, women empowerment, organic farming and national awakening. Mr. Chandresh Sona shared inspiring experiences of Ekal volunteers supporting soldiers in border areas, while Mr. Shantanu Gupta spoke about the scientific and cultural significance of the Ramayana. EGF organized a special event under the Ekal Yuva Udan program in Hirawadi village, GRC Sonkar, Gujarat. On this occasion, guests from the US were accorded a warm traditional welcome with a Kalash Yatra and other rituals. Students of the Ekal Vidyalaya presented vibrant cultural performances and narrated a patriotic story which was highly appreciated by the visiting guests. The event was attended by PA Division Campaign Head Mr. Ishwar Vasawa, Regional Campaign Head Mr. Prakash Vasawa, along with several other dignitaries. So that was it for this week. For all of the information related to Ekal Abhiyan, keep watching Ekal Bharat.